got carrying something up there. Food. Like, nah, I got this. Look like they helping him, but like, man, like he want the credit though. He's like, man, I got it, bro. Let me take you to it. Nah, I got it, bro. They need some help. So I can't even tell what's what now. I don't even know if he's still the same one got it. I don't know. He switched up on me at this point. Now I just need to see where they taking it. Nope, I thought they gonna go in that little hole. Oh, he's still going. Man, how far they go up? Whoa. Notify.